Hey guys, just another kind of wee POV street photography thing that I was actually out with my buddy. First thing I seen was this reflection. I was like, you know what, I'm going to take a photo of myself because that's not narcissistic at all. Wait for that guy to go past, just to balance the photo out, because obviously the guy's on the right, my pal's on the left. The only thing I don't like about the shot is how close my face is to the crotch of a mannequin. But we live, we learn, we love. Up next we're at a wee bit of a busy junction trying to get across. The wind was howling through here perfectly, and as we start crossing I noticed this woman here with her hat getting pulled down, so I was like, I'll get a quick snap of that. Pulled a fantastic facial expression, really liked that photo. Up here we seen this guy on a bike obviously doing deliveries. I thought, you know what, that is a strong punchy colour, let's do some slow shutter people going past. And we were there for about a minute trying to get like cars and just other people just seeing what would happen, because the guy was just chilling for a wee while. Didn't get anything. I tried to get this cool shot through a bus, but the height was just way off. And then as this taxi went past, I was quite happy with that because the kind of taxi light on the top matched well with his orange, and it really kind of pops them out. So I wasn't too unhappy with that one. Right about here, as we're just walking along, I noticed that this guy was having a wee smoke, and I was like, a wee detail shot, let's see what we can do here. So I just had a wee running gun shot. Bam, easy as that. You know what, the photo isn't the best. I don't even think it's a great photo, but I thought I would just add it because it's alright. Like, it doesn't tell a story, it's a basic photo, nothing special, but I just quite liked it in black and white. I'm a basic black and white bitch. Here at the escalators going into the subway, there was this nice reflection on the outer glass, so I was just kind of waiting for someone to go past, and you can kind of tell in a second or two someone's walking through here and try and get their shot. Again, not the greatest because the glass wasn't clear, it wasn't a clear reflection, so it's not like this contrasty photo. I just wanted to add it to say look out for reflections, they're always interesting. At this same spot though, there was tons of birds flying overhead. Of course the GoPro is rubbish, but you can see the reflection. So I was like, let's try some slow shutter, just the chaos of birds flying. I really quite liked that, especially the contrast of it. Again, just kind of staying here, we're just chatting, and then all of a sudden the birds move again. So I was like, yeah, let's quickly get a shot of the birds going. Like, nothing too special about it, but I just want to add these photos so you can see. I know I'm just very hypercritical of myself, but if you love all your photos, you ain't ever going to improve. Up here I seen a guy just chilling in a coffee shop, and the reflections of the window were great. I didn't really know what I was waiting for, I was just kind of waiting for a while, and I got this photo, and personally I hate it when people artificially add kind of orange and teal mix when it doesn't exist already. But thankfully for me, the orange of the seats and the sign in the back kind of tied well with the colder day, which I have just tweaked to be a little bit teal, so it is a little bit natural orange and teal. So just a pro tip, please stop adding orange and teal to photos where orange and teal aren't in the photos. As we're walking along here, again we're just chit-chatting, I noticed these two women in the window on the left also chit-chatting, and I quite like that line cutting right through them. So I was like, I'll get a quick snap before they recognise me, and I like the line causing like the anonymity of it all. I was quite happy with that photo. And then just as I'm approaching the bus stop, there was this guy, you know, full length, black jacket, black cap, and I was like, got a slow shutter, let's get some movement. So stayed the same kind of distance. All these people cut right through him. I quite like it. I was very happy with this photo, especially with it being right at the end of our walk. And that's kind of all it was, like not a long one a day, it was more of just a chit chat, but I just want to show you guys most of the photos I take, ones I love and ones I want to improve on, and just ideas that you can have. Link below to the presets I used, I made them myself. They are free because good photographers don't gatekeep. See ya!